Hi, I am Dimple K. Gregorio, 38 years old, from the Philippines. I have two kids. My eldest is 13 years old and my youngest is 2 and 3 months old. I am married. I am high school graduate. In my previous job, my experience is 4 years. The family is 2 adults and 2 kids. My main responsibilities are the kids. In the morning, I help them prepare to go to school. And when the kids at the school, I also do household chores. First, dusting the furniture, mopping or vacuuming the floor, washing and ironing the clothes, cleaning the kitchen, and cleaning the bathroom. And when the kids at home, I'll make them snacks, play with them, and do some activities with them. And we also go to playground. After we eat dinner, I make sure that the kids are clean and brush their teeth before they go to bed. And I also can take care of babies and infant. It's my own experience because I have 2 and 3 months old babies. I can feed them, feed on time, burping, tummy time, and also taking a bath. And also I know if the baby is not feeling well. Mom and sir, if you hire me, I will make sure that your kids is safe, and also I will take good care of the family. Thank you, Mom and sir.